What if I told you that you don't need a six-figure salary to build real wealth? That's right. You don't need a promotion, a side hustle, or a crypto moonshot. What you need are habits. Small, quiet, everyday habits. And the best ones? They come from Japan, a culture known for discipline, simplicity, and long-term thinking. I'm Nico, and on Build a Millionaire, we don't chase get-rich-quick schemes. We build wealth that lasts. Today, 7 Japanese money habits that can quietly make you rich, even on an average income. Let's go.
Habit number 1, kakeibo. It's a Japanese budgeting method, but here's the twist. It's not about tracking every penny with guilt. It's about asking 4 simple questions before you spend. Do I really need this? Can I afford it? Will I use it? Does it bring long-term value? You write down your income, fixed expenses, savings goal, and then every expense goes into one of 4 categories: needs, wants, culture, books, movies, art, unexpected. Why it works? It makes you aware. And in the US, where we're bombarded by ads and treat yourself culture, awareness is a superpower. Habit 2, mottainai. It means, what a waste. In Japan, this applies to food, energy, time, and money. Before you throw away leftovers, ask, can I repurpose this? Before you cancel a subscription, ask, did I even use it? Before you buy new clothes, can I repair or swap? For your money, mottainai means not wasting small amounts. That $5 coffee, that unused gym membership, that late fee. Americans waste an average of $1,500 a year on unused subscriptions alone. Plug those leaks and invest the difference. Over 10 years, that's $30,000 plus. Habit 3, kaizen, continuous improvement. Toyota made this famous, but you can apply it to your money. Don't try to save $500 a month overnight. That fails. Instead, save $5 more this week than last week. Increase your 401k by 1% next quarter. Learn one new investing term every Sunday. Small steps, compounded over time. A 1% savings rate increase today could mean tens of thousands of dollars extra in retirement. That's kaizen. Habit 4, danshari. Declutter your life. Marie Kondo style, but for money. Open your bank account. How many subscriptions? How many credit cards? How many free trials you forgot? Cut them. Close unused accounts. Consolidate. Why? Because a cluttered financial life leads to mistakes, overdrafts, late payments, lost money. One client of mine had 12 monthly subscriptions, total $187 per month. He canceled 8 of them. That's $2,244 a year. Invested at 8% for 20 years equals over $100,000. Declutter your finances. Your future self will thank you. Habit 5, hara hachi. Eat until you're 80% full. From Okinawa, one of the world's longest living communities. How does this apply to money? Simple. Spend until you're 80% satisfied. You don't need the newest iPhone. You don't need the fully loaded truck. You don't need the VIP concert tickets. 80% of the happiness for 50% of the price. That gap? That's your savings. That's your freedom. In the US, lifestyle creep is real. But the richest people I know drive Toyotas and live below their means. Not because they're cheap, but because they're free. Habit 6, shikataganai. It cannot be helped. The market crashes. Inflation rises. Your car breaks. You can't control that, but you can control your reaction. Instead of panic selling or rage spending, accept, then act. Shikataganai helps you avoid emotional money mistakes. No FOMO buying crypto at the top. No selling stocks at the bottom. No debt-funded vacations because life is short. Wealthy people don't react. They respond. This one habit alone saves investors thousands in bad decisions. Habit 7, ubaitori. It comes from 4 trees: cherry, plum, peach, apricot. Each blooms in its own time. Your neighbor bought a Tesla. Your cousin started a business. Your coworker went to Dubai. So what? Your financial journey is yours. Compare yourself only to who you were yesterday. In the US, social media makes us feel poor, even when we're not. That feeling leads to bad debt. Ubaitori says, stay in your lane. Keep saving, keep investing. Your time will come. Okay, 7 habits. But where do you start? Tomorrow morning, buy a notebook. Write kakeibo on it. List every subscription you pay for. Cancel 2. Cook at home instead of takeout. That's mottainai plus hara hachi. Set a 1% savings increase. That's kaizen. And remind yourself, shikataganai plus obaitori. You can't control markets or others, only yourself. Do this for 30 days, quietly. No need to tell anyone. Wealth grows in silence. Let me give you a real example. Sarah, a teacher in Ohio, making $52,000 a year. She felt stuck. She started Kakeibo, found she was wasting $300 a month on forgotten subscriptions and impulse buys. Used mottainai, stopped wasting food and started meal planning, saved $150 a month. Applied kaizen, increased 401k by 2% over 6 months. Within 2 years, saved $12,000, paid off credit cards, and started a Roth IRA. No raise, no side hustle, just habits. If she can do it, so can you. Listen, you don't need to be rich to start. You just need to start. These 7 Japanese habits are quiet, boring even, but that's the point. Real wealth isn't loud. It's a slow, steady, unstoppable river. If this video helped you, hit that like button. It helps more people find this quiet path to wealth. Subscribe to Build a Millionaire, because your future self is counting on you. And comment below, which of these 7 habits will you try first? I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay disciplined, stay patient, and build.